Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the full fitness workout trainer app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Full Fitness is a workout training app designed to help users exercise effectively through illustrated demonstrations, detailed instructions, and structured workout plans. Originally created as a simple exercise reference guide, Full Fitness has grown into a full workout companion. It includes routines for strength training, cardio, stretching, and muscle-specific exercises, with clear images showing correct form. It's available on both iOS and Android and works entirely as a standalone fitness guide. No external equipment required unless you choose certain gym-based exercises. The app's main feature is its exercise library. You can browse workouts by muscle group, fitness goal, or equipment type. Each exercise includes step-by-step guidance, target muscles, and helpful tips for safe form. Users can also build custom routines, track their workout history, and follow pre-made programs for fat loss, muscle gain, general fitness, or rehabilitation-style mobility work. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its simplicity, offline usability, and clear exercise instructions. The image-based tutorials make it easy for beginners to understand proper form, and the variety of workouts helps users target different fitness goals. It's especially useful for people who prefer lightweight, no-nonsense fitness apps. However, there are some drawbacks. Some users feel the app's interface looks outdated, and the lack of video demonstrations may be a downside for those who prefer visual motion guidance. A few users also note limited advanced features compared to modern workout apps, such as smart tracking or community challenges. Updates may also be less frequent depending on the platform. In summary, the Full Fitness app may be worth using if you want a simple, image-guided workout library, easy-to-follow routines, and offline access. However, if you prefer video-based workouts, modern interfaces, or advanced tracking features, it might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.